used to do this to my toys.
I mean, I don't blame him for it.
We haven't taken this piece apart yet.
Oh,
so
Liam, sorry,
Let's
sweetie.
go do that.
We can put it back together. Do you want to put that over here?
No, not that one.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Where would you like it? You know what happens to little boys who are
Good job.
cranky?
That.
I'm gonna take your. I've got your nose.
No, take that.
Anything else to take apart?
You don't need your
You're already
nose.
taking it all apart.
Yeah, I
You need your nose? Are you sure?
do. Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna go down? You wanna go run around with those?
Are you gonna weight lift with those?
Like some more.
You wanna fix some more? We can build anything. We can put a flag on this. We can put a flag right over here.
No.
No?